To back up an Araknis switch, click the device name and Oversee. Click Configure. Click Backup and Restore. Click Create Backup. This takes a snapshot of the device's configuration. You can rename the backup by clicking the kebab menu, then Rename Backup, then the pencil icon. To apply a backup to a switch, select the device name and Oversee. Click Configure. Click Backup and Restore. Select the backup you'd like to use by selecting the radio button, then click Apply to Device. Type Overwrite. Click Apply Changes. Oversee applies the backup to the device. After a few moments, the device will reboot with the backup's configuration. Note: backup files are only compatible with the same device model and firmware that moves forward. For example, a backup with older firmware can be applied to a device with newer firmware, but not the other way around. You can store a backup to your Oversee account by saving it as a template. Within Backup and Restore, select the backup you'd like to use as a template by selecting the radio button, then click Save as Template. Templates work at an Oversee account level, meaning you can apply them to switches at multiple locations. To view your templates, click Templates under My Company. Note: you can only have 5 templates per device model. To apply a backup or template to more than one switch at the same time, click Categories and Oversee. Click Networking. Select multiple switches, then click Bulk Actions. Click Restore Configuration. Click Apply. Select your backup or template, then enter the number provided. Click Apply. Oversee will then apply the backup to each switch.